When you make your credit card payments on time, you can build credit, but even one missed payment can have a big impact on your overall financial health. Follow these quick tips to help you never miss a payment. Use your credit card issuer's mobile app or online banking to check your balance often. This way, you'll always know how much you owe and be aware of your payment deadline. Set a recurring reminder on your phone, calendar, or computer to make your payment at the same time every month. Call your credit card issuer to see if you can move your payment due date to a day that's convenient for you and that you'll always remember. Pay your credit card balance earlier than your due date, or make more frequent payments that total more than your minimum payment well before the due date. Authorize your credit card issuer to automatically process a payment every statement period. Make a spending plan and include a category for credit card payments to ensure you always have sufficient funds to cover at least your minimum payment. Choose the tips that work best for you, or try all 6 to stay on top of your credit card payments and keep track of your credit goals.